Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Fiat 500 petrol cap. First, after refueling, carefully place the cap onto the filler neck opening. Make sure it's aligned properly before you begin to turn it. This initial placement is crucial for the cap to engage with the threads correctly and ensure a proper seal. Take your time with this step. Once the cap is seated, begin turning it clockwise. You'll feel a slight resistance as the threads engage. Continue turning until you feel a definite stop, but do not force it beyond this point. This initial twist ensures the cap is properly seated and ready for the final sealing mechanism to engage. It's a gentle, firm turn. Now this is the most important part. Continue turning the cap clockwise past that initial resistance. You should hear a series of distinct clicks. For a secure seal, listen for at least 3 clear clicks. These clicks confirm that the cap's internal mechanism has engaged, creating a tight, leak-proof seal for your fuel tank. Do not stop until you hear them. After hearing the clicks, give the cap a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly in place and doesn't spin freely. It should feel secure and flush with the car's body. A properly closed cap prevents fuel evaporation and can even prevent a check engine light from illuminating due to an emission system leak. Always double-check for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.